Right now, you are watching one war, Operation Epic Fury, Iran War. Missiles, explosions, Strait of Hormuz, breaking news from the Middle East. Missiles, explosions. But while the cameras turn and headlines shift, another war hasn't stopped. Ukraine is still burning. Russia recently launched approximately 1,000 drones plus missiles in massive attacks across Ukraine. Something dangerous is happening. Two wars are slowly becoming one global crisis. The Ukraine war never paused. It never slowed down. In fact, it's getting worse. Massive drone attacks, missiles striking cities far from the front lines, and on the ground, a brutal, grinding war. This is no longer a fast-moving invasion. It's a war of attrition, meter by meter, village by village. Like the trenches of World War I, but with drones. Neither side is winning decisively. Ukraine fights to reclaim its land. Russia pushes to hold and expand. But the reality is chilling. This war could last years to come. Russia is in no mood to leave. It is rebuilding roads, infrastructure, even governance in occupied territories. That's not temporary occupation. That's long-term control. And then, though not unexpected, a second war explodes. The Operation Epic Fury, the Iran conflict. At first, it seems separate. Another region, another conflict. But in today's world, no war stays isolated. The connection begins with attention. The United States, Europe, global media, all shifting focus to the Middle East. And with attention comes resources. Weapons that once went to Ukraine may now be redirected. Air defense systems, missiles, intelligence. If you're understanding this shift, you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe now, because what happens next will change everything. Meanwhile, Russia is watching, and possibly benefiting. Less attention, less pressure, more opportunity. There's another layer. Iran has been linked to drone technology used in Ukraine. Now, the same battlefield technologies are shaping both wars. And then came the hard hit on global economy. Oil prices rise, supply chains shake. Suddenly, a war in one region affects another battlefield thousands of kilometers away. This is the real danger. Not just one war, but interconnected conflicts. Ukraine, Iran, Middle East, all influencing each other. History has shown world wars don't start with one explosion. They begin with multiple crises slowly merging. This is the real danger. So while the world watches one war, don't forget the other, because the biggest stories are often the ones we stop paying attention to. And the question is no longer, when will these wars end? But what happens if they don't? If you want to stay ahead of the world's biggest shifts, like, share, and subscribe. Because the next war story might already be unfolding.